Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Ninja 1100 blender is probably one of the most versatile and powerful blenders on the market, boasting a 1100-watt motor that effortlessly tackles even the toughest ingredients, from frozen fruits and vegetables to nuts and seeds, making it a perfect choice for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Its multiple speed settings and pulse function allow for precise control over your blending process, ensuring you achieve the perfect consistency every time, and the durable construction ensures that this blender will be a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. It's got an 1100-watt motor that easily crushes ice and pulverizes even the toughest ingredients in seconds. Perfect for frozen drinks, smoothies, and sauces. With 3 speeds, a pulse function, and a single serve option, it's incredibly versatile. You'll get professional results every time. The 72-ounce pitcher makes enough for the whole family or a party. It holds up to 64 ounces of liquid. It effortlessly chops, minces, grinds, and blends. Prepare meals and recipes quickly and easily. Blend directly into the included to-go cups, add the spout lid, and you're ready to go. Enjoy your creations anywhere. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. A recipe guide is included with 28 delicious smoothie, frozen drink, and sauce recipes to get you started. You get the motor base, 72-ounce pitcher, stacked blade assembly, 2 16-ounce to-go cups, spout lids, and a recipe guide. Everything you need to start blending. What we like? It boasts a powerful motor that crushes ice in seconds. Its multiple functions make it perfect for various recipes. If you need a blender for the whole family or entertaining, this is the one for you. What people say? Blade power easily can turn raw coconut into a smooth consistency. Fruits and vegetables, even apples, blended perfectly. The motor is incredibly powerful, crushing ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, while the sharp blades create the smoothest smoothies and soups I've ever made. It's not just a blender, its versatility shines through with its ability to handle food processing tasks like chopping vegetables or making dough. It can mix smoothies with hard, frozen fruit and ice with ease. There are 3 settings for power, but we rarely need to use the third and highest level. Number 4. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker. This innovative blender is designed for creating delicious and nutritious smoothies, bowls, and more. It's versatile and easy to use, making healthy eating a breeze. With its 14 ounces smoothie bowl maker, it effortlessly blends frozen ingredients with less liquid, resulting in perfectly thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, or even blender ice cream. The 24 ounces nutrient extraction cup provides better breakdown for smoother extractions, ensuring you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables. It's better than our previous model, the BL480. It features a powerful 1200 peak watt motor that handles heavy loads without stalling, eliminating the need for manual stirring or shaking. It offers 6 pre-programmed functions: one-touch blending, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. It simplifies the blending process. This intelligent technology takes the guesswork out of blending with unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. It does all the work for you. Cleaning is a breeze with its easy-to-clean base and dishwasher-safe parts. Enjoy effortless cleanup after every use. It offers 2 single-serve blending options with the nutrient extraction cup and smoothie bowl maker, all in one convenient motor base. It's efficient and space-saving. What we like? This blender excels at creating thick smoothie bowls and nutrient-rich drinks. Its smart technology simplifies the blending process. If you prioritize thick textures and efficient nutrient extraction, this is your best choice. What people say? The 1200-watt motor is powerful and efficient, making blending and nutrient extraction a breeze. I've been able to create smoothies, nut butters, and even sauces with ease, thanks to its versatility. The Smart Torque technology is a standout feature, as it adjusts the power and speed automatically based on the ingredients. This ensures consistent results and prevents overprocessing. It effortlessly blends even the toughest ingredients with ease, leaving no chunky bits behind. The extractor function is pure magic, extracting every last drop of juice and nutrients from your favorite fruits and veggies. Number 3. Nutri Ninja BL642. This is the Nutri Ninja BL642, a powerful blender that will change the way you mix smoothies and more. It's packed with features to make blending easy and efficient. It boasts a 1,200-watt motor, effortlessly crushing ice and tough ingredients in seconds. Get perfectly smooth results every time. The Pro extractor blades are designed to maximize nutrient extraction. It pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and ice for the creamiest smoothies and most nutritious drinks. With Auto IQ, you can create delicious drinks without any guesswork. It intelligently blends using pre-programmed settings for perfect results. It comes with a large 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for family-sized batches, and 3 to-go cups in various sizes for on-the-go convenience. Enjoy your healthy drinks anywhere. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. A 75-recipe inspiration guide is included to get you started. Discover a world of delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. What we like. It features a high-powered motor and specialized blades for maximum nutrient extraction. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending. If you want perfectly blended drinks packed with nutrients, this is the perfect option. What people say. The auto blend settings work really well. I like that I can put nuts, seeds, raspberries, kale, and oats in my smoothies without them being gritty or leaving whole seeds in there. Blades stayed sharp through over a decade of use. I hardly notice a difference in performance between my old one and the brand new one, which says a lot. It is ridiculously easy to clean up. It could go in the dishwasher, but you can also hand wash it easily. There is nothing and nowhere for food particles to hide. Number 2. Ninja AMZ 493 BRN Blender. This versatile kitchen system is here to make your life easier. It's powerful, convenient, and perfect for all your blending and food processing needs. Its high-performance blades effortlessly crush ice and frozen ingredients. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. With its included processor bowl and various blades, it easily chops, mixes, and kneads dough. Prepare delicious meals and snacks in minutes. It's a blender, ice crusher, and food processor all in one. Get the most out of your kitchen appliance with its 1,200 watts of power. It intelligently blends your ingredients using unique pulsing and pausing patterns. Enjoy perfectly blended drinks every time, without the guesswork. Blend directly into the single-serve cup and take your creations with you. Perfect for busy lifestyles. It comes with a variety of blades designed for different tasks. From smoothies to dough, it handles it all. Easily mix and knead dough for pizzas, breads, and more. Homemade goodness has never been simpler. What we like. This versatile appliance is a blender, ice crusher, and food processor all in one. Its Auto IQ technology ensures perfectly consistent results. If you need a powerful, versatile kitchen tool, this is the one. What people say. The Ninja Blender system is a fantastic addition to any busy family's kitchen, especially for those who love to cook but are always on the go. This blender is packed with versatility, offering a range of functions that can handle anything from smoothies and frozen drinks to chopping and pureeing ingredients for home-cooked meals. The powerful motor makes blending a breeze, quickly breaking down fruits, vegetables, ice, and more, while the sharp blades ensure a smooth, consistent texture every time. The 1200W power is perfect for making smoothies, effortlessly crushing frozen fruit and ice, and the Auto IQ technology makes it super easy to use with its intelligent blending patterns. The 18 ounces single-serve cup is a convenient feature for quick, on-the-go smoothies, and I love that extra cups are inexpensive, allowing us to make multiple drinks for guests or different flavor combos in no time. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe parts. With this having 3 sharp blades, it cuts through frozen fruit with ease. I no longer have watery acai bowls. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Power Blender SS401. It features an enhanced processing lid with feed chute and select cut processing discs. This allows for precise shredding, slicing, and grating of your ingredients. With a powerful 1,600 peak watt motor and smart torque technology, it effortlessly crushes ice and frozen ingredients without ever stalling. It's perfect for making smoothie bowls. The built-in tamper helps you power through frozen ingredients using less liquid, ideal for creating creamy nut butters too. The specialized cup helps break down ingredients to extract maximum vitamins and nutrients from your fruits and vegetables, creating perfectly smooth drinks. Take control of the blending process with variable speed settings. Create the perfect texture for your smoothies and other recipes in seconds. It offers 7 pre-programmed auto IQ settings for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and food processing. One-touch convenience at your fingertips. The hybrid edge blade assembly ensures smooth results every time. It effortlessly blends frozen fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and ice. What we like? It features an incredibly powerful motor that never stalls, even with tough ingredients. It also excels at making smoothie bowls and has enhanced food processing capabilities. If you need a powerful blender with advanced food processing features, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The 72-ounce glass pitcher is perfect for making big batches of smoothies or soups, and the included to-go cups are super convenient for single servings. It makes easy work of all our ingredients. I also like the suction caps at the bottom that keep it in place when using. With this you can blend large and small quantities, blend up the perfect smoothie, and slice up anything in literally seconds. To add to that, I never have any chunks in what I blend up, so no redo on blending because it gets it right the first time around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.